Hey, hi, hello, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we make sourdough, we do fun recipes. And today, it's a fun recipe day because it is almost Christmas. It's the holidays. It's the time of year where we bake. And I thought to myself, let's do cookies. And I don't know if I've ever made these cookies before. Maybe one time. One time in my life have I made these cookies. But let me show you what they look like. These are Jonathan's favorite cookie, and I don't know if I've ever made them. So we're just gonna get to making these cookies. They are fairly simple. I feel like the most time-consuming part is going to be unwrapping all of these. And don't be like me, although this video is gonna come out like right before Christmas. So hopefully, if you wanna make these cookies, you already have some sort of chocolate. Because I was at the store yesterday and they were almost out of pretty much all of the chocolate Christmas candy. And thankfully I did find some plain Hershey's Kisses, although they probably have non-Christmas themed ones down the regular candy aisle, and these are just regular Hershey's Kisses. They're just wrapped like Santa hats. Anyway, let's go make these cookies. Okay, in this bowl, I probably did not grab a big enough bowl, but you know what? You live and you learn, and it's fine. I'm going to add an entire stick of butter, a half cup. It should be softened butter. I did have to put it in the microwave a little bit to get it soft, but it is what it is. I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. My favorite thing. Actually, it's not. But Jonathan said his favorite cookie is peanut butter. So here we are, making cookies for Jonathan. I will probably eat these cookies though, because they don't taste like straight peanut butter. Anyway, so we've got 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, creamy. Make sure it's creamy. We're gonna do half a cup of white sugar. I'm also gonna do half a cup of packed brown sugar. All right, now I'm gonna go in with 1 room temperature egg. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm not gonna measure this because I'm not. And we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a half teaspoon of baking soda. And then 1.5 cups of flour. I'm gonna mix this together and then I'll add the other half cup. All right, now I'm gonna use the cookie scoop, and I'm actually gonna take these rings off. So we're gonna do like 1-inch balls, roll them, and then I just have some regular white sugar here. This is optional, but in our house, it's not going to be optional. That's what we do, and then we put it on the cookie sheet. And then we do this a billion more times. I do have the oven preheated to 375 degrees. And these will bake for 8 to 10 minutes. And then once they come out of the oven is when we're going to put the Hershey's Kisses on them. We don't bake it with the Kisses. So while these are baking, I'm going to unwrap all of the Hershey Kisses. Well, maybe not all of them, but most of them. All right, so I'll see you in like 5 hours after I get done with all of this.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk
All right, so you do want to leave these on the baking sheet for a couple minutes until the chocolate actually sets, and then I'll take them off and put them in a container and finish making the rest of them. But they look so good. They look exactly like they're supposed to. And honestly, I'm pretty excited, even though I don't love peanut butter. I'm pretty excited. Oh, the light is terrible.
Good.
Calvin.
They're a cookie.
They're your favorite.
Yeah, they're peanut butter. And with,
I can't even count how many you've had already. A lot.
I'll go 4.
Maybe 5.
Oh.
I don't know. But they're really good. And they're really easy. And you're making...
They're really fun.
They're really fun?
Mm-hmm.
Why? As you shove it into your mouth. They're fun because they're fun to make?
And they're fun to eat because they like... You got a cookie, but then you also got like chocolate. That's really good.
Yeah. And they're nice and like... they're not hard cookies. They're nice soft cookies. And you know, I don't even think they're too peanut butter. Even though they're very peanut butter, they're not like... I don't know. It's not like excessive.
I would also like recommend not using like natural peanut butter. Use like the like
Crap.
well, not crap, but like not great for you. Like
Jif.
well, or what you
I had Peter Pan.
yeah, use like that.
Yeah, I
You
had
want that
Peter...
really like.
You don't want,
the
like, all
natural
the
separated
oily-
oil. You want like the garbage oils that make it really good.
Yeah. The Peter Pan worked well for that. Anyway, you know, the next video is probably going to be more cookies. I know, right up your alley.
Hello, piggies.
They're like sugar cookies with the sprinkles that you were eating.
I was not.
You were eating the
No.
sprinkles. Hundreds of thousands. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Jonathan and his milk will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!